Let's continue Java OOP. Inheritance. Inheritance means one class acquires the properties and methods of another class, right? We group the inheritance concept into two categories, right? First one, subclass, and second one, superclass, right? The subclass is the class that inherits from another class, right? Superclass, the class being inherited from, right? Normally, we consider the subclass as the children, as the child, right? And the superclass as the parent class, right? To inherit from a class, we use the extends keyword, right? Think about vehicles. Vehicle is the superclass and types of vehicles are subclasses, which are cars, buses, ships, etc. Right? Let's create a class named vehicle, right? src new Java class vehicle, right? And end. Okay. Then every vehicle has a brand, a color, etc. Therefore, we create the variables for them, right? Like this. String brand name, right? And string color, right? Okay. And let's create a method named hunk, right? Void you can't do this. Print something inside this. Papa, right? In this case, we use protected access modifier, right? Wait. Okay. Protect. Right. Now it's okay, right? This is the superclass, right? And now we must create another class named car, right? Give this and end, right? This is the child class, right? Now using extends, we can inherit properties and methods in vehicle into car, right? We should give now vehicle. Now we can inherit properties and methods in vehicle into car, right? Now create main method. Okay. Then now inside the main method, we must create an object from the car like this. Car right, and via which we can get the properties inside the vehicle like this, right? Car brand name and assign a value to it, right? I give the Volkswagen, right? Right. Okay. Then call the color and assign the value to it. Car dot color is equal to I give black, right? These two properties are in the vehicle class, right? Let's create another variable inside the car named model name. String model name and assign a value to it, right? I give it right. Okay, I give result. We can call it car dot model name like this, right? Inside out we can call it model name, right? We can print it oh wait, it's a main class, right? Sorry, you should run this. See, it gives model name, right? Why we use protected? If it was set to private, the car class would not be able to access it. If we use a final keyword in front of the class, we can't inherit the things inside the vehicle into the car. See, we can't do anything. If you get something from this video, don't forget to subscribe us, like, comment and share with your friends. Bye bye.